What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie, and I'm on Blackberry, and I'm going to work. So I know it's been a while, and with the coronavirus stuff going on, you know, places still aren't really open all that just yet. They are starting to open up in our area now, so that's good. Maybe we can start doing some more videos, but I figured it's been long enough, I need to put out a video. So what better time to do it than on a beautiful day when I'm riding my bike to work. These guys, man, they put down 6 layers of asphalt last week on this road. Then they go ahead and lay down 2 more layers yesterday. And now I guess they're doing 2 more on the other side. And I get to sit here for a little bit. Thank you, sir. Gotta get that fresh, clean asphalt. Oh man, I'll tell you what. So I've been driving on this road on my car, and it was definitely a lot different in there, but nothing compares to on the bike. It feels so nice. Here's a fellow bearded guy. Well, anytime I sit there in traffic in my car, I sit there for like an hour. So that was pretty cool. At least I didn't have to sit there on the bike for an hour. The tractor's been sitting up there. I think the guy's trying to sell it. That's okay. I got another tractor I bought off of a coworker. I already had the muffler fall off, so, you know, just decided to leave that off. I threw a bicycle brake cable in for a gas pedal, and now I just got to wait for the rest of the parts to come for my geared transaxle. So the tractor now, it's got a hydrostatic transaxle. It's a Husqvarna. It's like a LG 2415 or something like that. I'm gonna finish that geared trans, throw that geared trans in there because the hydro trans is slipping and shit. So I'm gonna swap that out and make it into a speed tractor, and we'll see how it goes from there. I might throw a little bit of that into the vlog. We'll see. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Howdy, howdy. It's only about 58 degrees outside, so unless you're like in the sun, it's still kind of chilly when you're riding. It's still a good day to get out. It's supposed to hit like 88 today. So instead of sitting in my car and waiting for the AC to kick on and then get rolling when I'm ready to leave work, why not just hop on the bike and go? And let the air be my AC. So Kenny, my car, named it Kenny. I don't know if I told you guys that yet, but just got him back from the Kia dealer. I'm gonna get into detail about that in a little bit, and why I had such a terrible experience and why my car had to get towed to the dealer and then I had to take it back to the dealer. I'm almost at work, so I'll get into that a little later today. Hopefully I remember. Otherwise, I'm sorry ahead of time. Guess I'll see you when I'm done work. So what's up, everybody? So yeah, I am done work. If you couldn't tell, now the sun is magically in the other part of the sky, and I was riding to work into the sun, and now I'm riding home from work into the sun. So come along for the second part of the vlog. First thing I gotta do is I gotta get some gas. Black Betty is thirsty, and she hasn't had a drink in a while. I haven't really had her out much. I mean, I took her out a couple times. I mean, I haven't really had her out, but I don't know. I was at work yesterday, and I was like, you know, it's supposed to be a nice day. Let me take the bike to work. you know what? It's been too long, howdy, since I've done a moto vlog. So why not do one while I'm on my way to and home from work? So here we are. Howdy. So it has been a long time. In the last video I told you that I moved and switched jobs and all that. Well, in the process of the job switch, my income is not the greatest, and my move, I'm spending a little more on rent. So it's a little harder to afford things. So I'm not sure just how much riding I'll be doing. I do need a back tire for Black Betty, and I don't really have the money for it. Hopefully I will soon, because I also need a set of tires for Kenny. Which reminds me, yes, what I was talking about this morning. Kenny. Alright, so long story short, I'm on my way to a buddy's house, and out of nowhere the engine locks up and the car jerks forward like I slammed on the brakes. Tires chirped, and then it spun over, and it was knocking like a dog. Here's a little clip of that.
No lights. But my engine is not happy. You got it?
Yeah, so that happened. So I called the roadside assistance number. They got a tow truck out to me within like 15 minutes, which that was good. That was cool. He got out there, he picked up the car, he took it to the dealer, and I just told him to write down my number for them to call me so I could go over what happened, what needs to be done. And I had a few other things that I figured, while it's in there, why not look at it? They get the car in, they call me back, and I told them what was going on, and I'm like, I need a rental. So for 3 days I rode my bike to and from work, and it was like 45 in the morning. It was terrible, but I made do and I got it done, and I got it to work. So they got the car in. They once the warranty repair was approved, they provided me with a loaner, and it was a nice loaner. It was a 2019 Forte, but it was automatic, so it wasn't that nice. I ended up getting my car back, and the engine bay was a mess. There was coolant all over the place. There was like 4 hoses that they didn't even reattach. Howdy. The coolant was overfilled, and one of the valves that's mounted up on the intake manifold that has a line going to it. Here, I'll show you a little picture of that. They broke that fitting, and they didn't say anything, and they packed it all up, and they sent it out the way it was. So I ended up calling them back, told them, look, I got a problem with the service, it needs to come back, there's problems. So I took it back. They ended up giving me another loaner car, but this one was a 2013 Kia Rio. The valve tick was so bad in this car, dude. Oh my God. If you know Kias and you know about their valve train noises, you'll know what I'm talking about. This one straight up sounded like a diesel engine was running. So anyway, I had that for a couple days. They got the part in, they bundled it all up, they pressure washed it. Howdy. I got the car back. They had done an inside door panel wash or whatever. The door panels weren't even clean. The door panels looked like crap, okay? There was so much humidity still inside the car. I had to drive around with the windows down for like 2 hours just to dry off the inside of the car and the inside of the windows. Not only that, they also failed to reconnect like the very top hose on that engine, which is the very first one that I sent a picture to the service advisor of. I ended up just reclamping it myself and dried out the insides, and I had to clean down the interior anyway, so I had to wipe that stuff down again. All in all, everything's said and done, and Kenny's back, but oh my God, the crap that I had to go through just to deal with all that, like it was not worth it. Hi, could I get 6 on pump 4? I believe it's 4, right? All right. Thank you, sir. Well, hopefully I don't hit no construction on the way home. Oh, it's hot. And I'm sweaty. I don't like it. Woo! Moving again. Oh yeah. Howdy, howdy. Oh, it's Tuesday. What to do today? I definitely didn't miss all these bugs, that's for sure. But I do miss being on 2 wheels. Howdy, howdy. Howdy, howdy. There's a few people gotta get in touch with. You gotta get some riding done. You know, like I said, hopefully some things open up real soon here, and we can actually get out and do stuff. We got our big bump up ahead. Now it's pretty smooth for the most part, for the rest of the way it should be. Look at all those. Howdy, 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 howdy. Dig it! 1 lane road ahead. Oh, God. All right, so here we are, stopped on the road. It's hot. Hey! Oh, I forgot to see what that tractor said. I was right next to it too. What are you doing? Watching the sprinkler? Trying to figure out how they work? Or is it just that interesting? Oh, this road is so nice. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Cows. Moo. But like I said, it's good to be back out on Black Betty, back on 2 wheels. Definitely got some more to do, definitely got to get on more and get some more videos done, but I just don't want to put up all videos of nothing but me talking, you know, just like not really anything fun. That's pretty much it for today. If you like the video, give it a like, leave a comment if you want. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon button, this way you're notified when the next video comes out. Thanks for staying, thanks for watching, check out my other videos. Until next time, peace out.